And before I close it, I'm just going to ask you to share your feedback for today's session. So if you could help me with your feedback, it will also help me do the sessions better as I go on. You can unmute yourself and you can talk.
May I speak?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so I'm Priyanka, Divyansh's mom. The session was very good, but see, because I think in my son's poll, he very clearly stated that he does not like to draw and he doesn't like to color. The only reason what I evaluated today by this visual thinking is he cannot interpret a lot of past things. So, and what happened was before he could digest your entire visual thinking part, we had to jump to the next concept. So
Okay.
probably if we could have kept this session for 2 hours instead of 1.5, I don't know whether it does just justice of energy exchange. I don't know
No, no,
all
it's
of
not
that.
about
But
that.
see,
It's
only with my child's perspective, what has happened today is that it went so fast that he started again, going into this zone where he feels that he is not capable of drawing.
okay, no problem. So, Priyanka, the first workshop that I did was for a straight 4 hours, straight
Okay.
4 hours.
Okay.
And we covered everything in one go, but the
Okay.
children were exhausted.
Yes, yes, I
Yeah.
agree.
So,
That's
hear me
what I
out.
said.
So,
Instead
hear me
of one
out,
and
hear
a
me
half,
out.
probably 2 hours, not more than that. Beyond that, they
So,
cannot
so
sit.
hear me out. So, hear me out, Priyanka. Hear me out. So, the reason I have done this split is 1.5 hours today, and 1.5 hours is an ideal time, because they are really, I mean, just to imagine that a child who's so hyperactive,
Yeah,
to get him to sit in front of the
right.
laptop for 1.5 hours is also quite a task.
Yes, you're right. You're
And
right.
they get exhausted.
Yes,
So
they do.
1.5 hours.
And
The
bored as
second,
well.
no, so and the second session is again 1.5 hours, and the most important session is when I do a one-to-one tutorial. The
All right.
one-to-one tutorial is more customized for the child, and that is why
Okay.
the workshop is split into three parts.
Okay.
Wherein the first
Okay.
part is visual thinking and visual doing,
Right.
where they will
Yeah.
understand, and it depends from child to child. It
Correct.
depends from child to child. I had from Bangalore in the second workshop, Sangeeta, whose testimonial is also there on LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
Sangeeta's son is about 7 years old, and
Mm-hmm.
Sangeeta was worried that he's not understood the concept. Okay,
Okay.
so I told Sangeeta, don't worry. I mean, just give him that blank paper and just let
Mm-hmm.
him be, let him do. Just tell him to do whatever imagination he can do.
Mm-hmm.
And she wrote back to me the next day saying that he's not stopping. He's not stopping. I have not, he's a hyperactive child. I have not seen him quietly sitting for 5 minutes, and it's been half an hour doing his second drawing right now. Right. So I would say that sometimes it's our own expectations also. So we need to kind
Right.
of uh, build in that little patience ourselves. And it's
Yeah.
just been 1.5 hours, just
Yeah.
been 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
I think 1.5 hours, they have digested a lot of concepts today,
Correct.
right? So we
Right.
should kind of give them that space, let them get re-energized, and tomorrow's session they will connect some more dots. And
Sure.
schedule your one-to-one with me. I will be sharing my calendar tomorrow after the workshop.
Right.
Immediately schedule your calendar, the session with me for Monday.
Right.
We have 1 hour. If required, we can do 1.5 hour, 2 hours, doesn't matter. That's okay.
Okay.
But the child will get a personalized attention at his speed.
Okay.
And we will
Okay.
we will
Right.
revisit some of these again. So we'll start with drawing, because one thing I have
All
learned to
right.
connect with children is through drawing. And if I were to take them through, this is how a mind map is and this is how we do, and make it too theoretical, it will not work. It doesn't work with adults
True.
also. My adults workshop also starts with drawing. So adults also do, but they do a different set of drawings,
Hmm.
which are more useful for their professional work also. Right. So
Correct.
I have this program for professionals also, but
Hmm.
that's a different thing. I'll share that later on.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for
Fine.
that.
Suchi, you would like to share anything?
So my son he likes to read more than drawing, and he runs away from art and craft. And so today's session, sitting him and trying to draw things was something that I enjoyed seeing him do it. And if he rubs once, then he gets irritated and he leaves it. But today, rubbing it again and again, trying to get it right, and trying to, I just love this experience, and I'm definitely looking forward to more of it tomorrow.
Awesome.
And really hoping that, this gives him an amazing visual thinking, as you thought about. You were saying the word hope when you wrote down the sun, when you were talking about the sun, and I saw my son writing hope. You were saying that how kids should be like the person B, and I saw my son write that I am good.
Very good.
So small little things again. I mean, I'm sure other parents have also experienced in their own, but
Right.
just sharing my own small way. I mean, like how he. So I really enjoyed it. Amazing,
Thank you so
amazing.
much.
Really,
And
really looking forward.
I just wanted to add over here is the very first workshop I did for children after my certification from Tony Buzan was about 3 years back, about 4 years back. When I did this workshop, I did it only with the children. And evening, when the parents came to collect their children, the child ran up to the parent and said, "Hey, look, this is what I've done," and showed the drawings. And the parents came and asked me, "Hey, I thought he was going to learn mind mapping. What is this?" Right? So immediately I changed my model because I said, "Look, if the child goes back home and the parent does not know what he or she has done, then it's a very important concept that is lost on the child as well, because the child, maybe after 1 2 days, he may not practice unless you kind of motivate him to do that,
True,
right?
true.
And tomorrow I'm going to talk about how you can utilize this in his studies. And it's amazing that I don't know whether you saw the testimonials and all. And there is Ritvik, who's done 1 month of whatever was taught to him in one single mind map, and they can talk about it. When they talk about it, you will see that their public speaking also is impromptu. They are not worried what they're going to say. It's coming
Exactly.
naturally to
Yeah.
them. So these are some of the side benefits of learning mind maps. So I'll talk about it tomorrow also.
That's amazing. I'm really looking forward. Great.
Sure.
Nice to meet you.
Sure.
Great.
Suhel, you've been there, and you were one of the first ones to register. So do you want to kind of share? Okay, yeah, go ahead. I mean, both of you can talk. I mean, don't pass the buck on.
Why is he being so shy today? Usually he's the one to do the talking. But
Okay,
we had a lot of fun with the visuals, the kids, and
right.
I would like to show you that we did, like as parents too, we were doing together with the kids.
Yes.
We really
Yeah.
had a lot of fun. And this is what my child just drew at the end of the session, getting
Right.
inspired. I mean, I don't think you can read
I
what.
can see that. Yeah, we can see it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Very nice.
it was really fun and
Right. We've lost your voice. Okay, Sadanji. Yeah.
looking forward to tomorrow's session as well.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you
I
so
want
much.
to
And
show you something that he just made, and this is what he just made.
wow, is
You
that a
can
rocket?
Yeah, that's a rocket. Yeah, it is a rocket. Rocket!
Awesome. 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 Great. Uh, Shweta Bhargava, would you like to share anything?
Yeah, I too found your session too inspiring, and surely looking forward to tomorrow.
Did Nandini enjoy it?
Yeah, she did.
Right. I'm sorry you couldn't join the
Actually,
last
but
one.
no,
You had
no.
to postpone that.
Actually, I found this session more applicable to my younger one.
Yes. No, both of them. I mean, the sooner you start, the better it is. The sooner you introduce them to it, even 5 years old, they will grasp this concept. But you need the parent to be involved,
Sure.
right?
For the whole session.
Right. Swagata?
Yeah, Amar, it was quite interesting. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can.
Yeah, it was interesting, especially when you were talking about A and B. And he said that, I am A, but I want to be B. So it was
Right.
a little bit of a realization for me to, sometimes kids tend to have a bit of low confidence even at a very young age. I don't know what is the reason for that. But yeah, I mean,
No, I think it's all these little things. I will share another example with you. I hope all of you are not getting too late on this. You have 5 minutes. When I was in my first standard, I was participating for the first time in the annual sports day. First time in my life. And we had the greatest race of all, the most difficult one, which is the lemon and spoon race.
hmm.
And here I was the first one in the line, and all the other children from all the other classes were lined up and they were cheering everybody or booing everyone. Okay, as you can imagine, right? And the whistle went off. I took the first step and the lemon fell. And all the other children started laughing. Okay, and that was it for me. I was so shocked by that incident and so saddened. I thought I'm not good at this and I'm not
Yeah,
good at anything. So it stayed with me for a really long time.
yeah.
Throughout my school, I really did not give my 100% in external sports. I was good in indoor sports like chess and all, but external I gave up. My elder
Hmm.
brother used to get all the medals for
Hmm.
external sports, athletics and all, and I was the other one, right? So, like you said, I don't know why his confidence is low. You need to get into it. You need
Hmm.
to get into it because it could be something outside the house, outside the home that is bothering him. Many times, children also face bullies in school.
He has faced bullies in the apartment
Correct.
where I stay in.
And they can be damaging.
Hmm.
Okay. My son went through that, and he's
Hmm.
now an extremely confident child, and things have turned around. I'll share my son's example tomorrow. But these are some things that we need to be aware of as parents, and we
Hmm.
need to be really careful. The other thing I want to share is your children are always watching you.
Hmm.
You are the role models for them. You're the role models for them. You're the heroes for them. They want to grow up just like you. And that also means that their camera is always on recording mode, whether you know about it or not. Even if he's not
Hmm.
watching you directly, they are recording you and they are imitating you. So they are imitating how you deal with stressful situations. They are imitating how you deal with your friends, and they are just copying you, right? And if you are stressed, they sense that, and they will start imitating that behavior also, right? So it's important that we understand all of this and put our best foot forward or best face forward as far as parents when we are with our children. uh, we all know what we are going through in this testing times of COVID and all. So all of us have been
Hmm.
affected. I don't think the children need to kind of get into those kind of worries for themselves. And I would suggest that all of us also need to be very careful about the thoughts that we carry with us,
Yeah.
right? So these are learnings for all of us. I mean, that's there. Good. Thanks, Swagata.
Thanks. Thanks, Samar. It was really
Yeah.
interesting.
Sarita, would you like to share anything?
Yes, so yeah, it was very interesting, and I think these drawings, I do tell my daughter whenever she studies, or the concept that you said, imagine. But maybe I was not able to tell her how to, So
Yes.
today with these drawings, each drawing that she was doing, the expressions were going. Too many expressions, and she was getting very happy. Oh yeah, it looks like that. Okay, she is able to draw that expression, I mean, put it on paper. So she
Right.
she really enjoyed it. So I think it's going to, and she did ask me that, okay, so we'll have it tomorrow also. I said, yes.
So
So
that's
even she's
good. That's
enjoyed
good.
it
So
very
one of the things I would like to share with all of you is this learning that using this sentence, we should start with it first, that you're not good at it yet. that yet is important. That is very important as a statement. Whichever subject it is, you're not good at it yet. Okay, if he says I'm not good at drawing, you're not good at drawing yet, right? So it's like this, you know, the more you practice, the better you become. But giving up before you even try it, you know, don't let it be like my lemon and spoon race. That's what I'll share, right? Okay, Mayur, I'm going to come to you last because you are the trainer also. So I need to know your viewpoint and they need to hear you. And Mayur's got this awesome voice. So you will, next time you're listening to an ad, you might wonder, is this his voiceover? Okay. So that's there. Okay. So Jayashree, would you like to share? Yeah. Jayashree, you're there?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm there.
Go ahead.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, me and Vaidehi enjoyed today's session actually. Lovely. See, she's doing the thumbs up. And we look forward to this. I think the best part was making those little expressions which are there in our mind coming on paper and seeing that was so means even I was so happy like a child, you know. Oh yeah,
Yes.
we can draw a man who has fallen from a banana. Wow, that's so easy now.
Yeah.
So that was the best part of today's session. We loved it. And we are so looking forward to tomorrow's session.
So tomorrow I'm going to also start the session with this drawing so they get into the mood. And tomorrow we'll also see how expressions can be changed. So she'll find that interesting because she can then draw it better. So I think they were too tired today, so I stopped it over there. But tomorrow we'll start afresh with that. Good.
As a parent, I was very intrigued with of this mind mapping concept. I've read a little bit about it. And that was one of the biggest, you know, Sandeep, my school friend who recommended you, he says he has also done it with you. And that's where I thought that even I would like to learn along with my daughter and see if I can apply it professionally because I'm on the business development and sales side and see how it helps me categorize my thoughts in a better way and apply it in my work.
Yes.
So that was one of the reasons why I joined it.
Yes, and you can and you should apply it in your professional life. This is not only for the children, this is for professionals also. In fact, on Saturday, I had a workshop with 7 participants. That was the first mind mapping for professionals workshop. And I had vice principals of schools attend that session. And these vice principals, I'll share their testimonials also on LinkedIn. They had attended similar sessions before they knew about the concept of mind mapping. But the way they went through it, so they shared their testimonial. I would like to also share this. We have not even touched upon mind mapping so far. Huh? So in the session today, we have not even touched upon mind mapping. We will come to that tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow also we'll ease the children into it. But when they come to it, they will join the dots so fast that you will be amazed. Within 5 minutes, they will know everything. So I think that's the way this program has been structured, and it's a beautiful thing because if parents and children are doing this together, you will also enjoy the bonding that you are seeing together, because the child enjoys the parent being there and learning with him or her, and that's what the child is.
My daughter joined just because she felt that, oh, mama is there along, it's going to be fun. So that was the only reason why she joined.
Awesome. Yati, and that's Komal, right? I see Yati's name. So, yeah, just unmute
hi.
Hi.
Yes. So I was a bit aware about this kind of program going on, and I always wanted Yati to go with. I was looking out for such program, and I registered late, but the moment I had known, or one of my friend had forwarded your message of mind mapping, so always wanted, I was the person to say I'm going to register, but because of a couple of other working things I couldn't register. And today's workshop, it looked to be very nice. So it's the drawing, I know, and because I knew somewhat what is this mind mapping all about, so it was nice to see that okay, fine, she can link with what is going around. And tomorrow's session, I am sure that this is going to link with what she has done a day before.
Yes.
And very rightly said that during this COVID situation, this is a difficult times for the kids also, and they are it's so bad for them that they are not able to go out much and all. So this kind of a situation has made them thought, and with the online schooling going on, it is kind about 5-6 hours they are in front of
I know.
screen, and they feel
I
that,
know.
oh, what's going on, and
Yeah.
they're just tired. So this is something out of the box, something different which is
Yeah.
happening, and
Right.
that is something which I'm looking forward for the next 2 sessions also.
Thank you. That's Komal, right? You need to, but
Right.
it's good. It's good that you've kept Yati's name over there because it's easier to remember, because sometimes I mention the parent's name and the child gets missed out. So okay, that's good. All right,
Yeah.
Priyanka, would you like to share, or has Priyanka already shared? I'm not sure now.
Yes.
She has. Okay, Mayur,
I
over to you.
actually did,
Yeah,
but
you're
sir,
the first
I am
one.
happy with whatever content.
Yes.
I actually just highlighted my concern. Sorry, Mayur sir, I'm going to hand it over to you in 1 minute only.
No problem.
I was actually very glad with a lot of things that my son got exposed to. He did not know that drawing could be so easy, and visual technique. He actually at one point of time he imagined something else in the picture that you drew, and he told me another story there and there itself.
Wow.
So he is somebody who's extremely imaginative. He is somebody who can put them in words. But visual
Right.
thinking is something that I think he needs to learn, which he will tomorrow.
It's not that, Priyanka. We all are, and children, they're all visual thinkers. We already are visual thinking. We
Yes,
all,
yes, yes.
yeah.
The only thing is, I think he has this peculiar
He
fear of
has,
what.
correct. So he has put a label on himself.
Yes.
That label needs to be removed, and he
And
can
that
remove
label
it.
is unfortunately done by the teachers in school. I have had
Correct.
this conversation with the teachers also that please do
Correct.
not discourage him. I know he's not Picasso,
Yes.
but please don't label him. But
So I think
there
you
are
need
some
to.
things in which you are extremely helpless now.
No, you need to go back next parent teacher meeting and tell them about this statement.
Yes,
He may be not good at it yet,
yes,
and
I will.
make sure that the teacher understands that.
Yes, I
Because
will. I will.
because unfortunately teachers are also overworked, and handling a class full of 50 or 40 children, it kind of must be getting to them also at times. And yeah, so but yes, that important thing is that if everyone understands this one little thing, that word yet at the end of that statement, it will do wonders. It will just do
True,
wonders.
true that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mayur, over to you.
Thank you, Amar. It was a lovely session. I think the way you got everyone interacted, especially with the fastest fingers first on the chat, that itself got us very, competitive in nature. And children and adults both are competitive, so that made it very interesting. Of course, then the drawing, and I must congratulate you on your drawing abilities, especially on the laptop. That was amazing. I didn't know you would become the next Uncle Pai. I was going to call you Uncle Amar from Amar Chitra Katha.
Right.
So
Okay.
if you've read Amar Chitra Katha, we've grown up with visuals of Mahabharata and
Yes.
Birbal and Tinkle around that, and those visuals remain with us.
Correct.
So we've learned a lot through those visuals, and this is what the reinforcement is all about. Taking from what Priyanka said about the school, I would use this quotation which says, "I was born intelligent, but education ruined me." So
Yes.
I
so
second that.
yeah. So
And you know what? I'm a preschool owner who's actually trying to change that attitude in people.
yeah.
We keep
So
telling parents, please let your kids be, please let your kids be. And they keep asking us homework though for a 2-year-old toddler.
Yes.
that's unfortunate. Yeah, I think in fact in most in Western countries, in Holland, etc., they start education only after the standard 8 years or so. So those are the 7-8 years where we are allowed to do a lot of creative thinking, play around, etc. So brilliant work on that, especially the fact that it was not computer driven, but actually asked people to do a touch and feel, organic in nature. So that was brilliant. I thought you kept us engaged throughout. So excellent work, Amar. And as usual, you're inspirational. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Mayur. Thank you so much. So let's catch up tomorrow. I look forward to receiving the the assignment from each one of you today, and I'll keep sharing that so that everyone keeps seeing what other children are doing. And let's again tomorrow at 2:45. Let's try and log in, because there might be some issues, last minute issues. Unfortunately, one of the participants couldn't log in, and once I start the program, then I focus on the program. So she respected that, and I like accommodate her in the next one. But let's kind of try and log in at 2:45. So 3 o'clock we can start, and if required, we can stretch that again tomorrow. So 1.5 hours is not 1.5 hours. The webinar is not going to shut off automatically. It can go on. So don't worry about it, right? Suhail, I must add over there, your children are extremely naughty at the same time. So they've been trying to record the session. They've been trying to grab hold of my controls, and also I had to kind of keep an eye out.
The elder one is not into computers. He keeps doing all this.
Yeah, they know.
I apologize for that.
Yeah, they know a lot. But I've been doing these children's workshops every week, so I'm kind of getting very cued on to as to what's happening. Okay, so that's there. Okay, parents. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for the feedback, and I'll see you tomorrow then. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, Amar.
Thank you.